Metal roofs are a great option for both residential and commercial buildings. They provide fantastic protection and have the ability to stand the test of time for decades to come. But if you live in a colder climate, you may have noticed the dangerous ways snow can accumulate and then unexpectedly release from your roof. When that happens, it can spell problems for both people and property. To help solve this problem, S-5 has created an online tool called the Snow Calculator. This allows property owners to easily design a snow retention system for their roofs to manage the issue of snow slides. All you need to do is follow the steps, input the necessary information, and the calculator will determine what products you need, as well as give you a bill of materials so you can quickly get everything you need. Let's take a look at an example calculation to see just how simple the process is. Head over to s5.com and choose the Snow Calculator under Resources and Tools. You'll find existing projects here as well as the option to set up a new one. Enter your project details and choose your desired measurement unit. On the following page, click Add Roof to input info such as roof type, manufacturer, and the specific roof panel to see your clamp options. Continue filling out the following information and save the roof to view the calculation for your project, which includes the various snow retention systems available to you, how much each one will cost, and so much more. The calculator also works with exposed fasten roofs such as R panels and corrugated profiles. So we've got you covered no matter what your type of roof. Try the Snow Calculator for yourself on s-5.com, where you can also find out more about our products and systems, case studies, training opportunities, as well as our fantastic customer support.